Last week, the Board of Regents increased tuition by 6.9%. On Monday, USD's President James Abbott sent out legislative updates to explain the increase. U-News' Travis Berg says the rise in tuition may seem alarming, but stay calm.
USD will only experience a 6.6% increase. The budget gap was decreased because of tuition increases the past 2 years. An 8 and 5.9% increase was proposed at last week's meeting. Both were shot down. President Abbott says this increase is better for the long run.
I think our students want a quality education, and you can't cut your way to success. So when the budget's cut, we have to take appropriate countermeasures, and I feel that the 6.9% is not inappropriate.
The U is cutting a little more than $1 million, and the medical school is cutting almost $600,000. However, President Abbott says it is manageable.
What we've done is to ask folks now to go back in the departments and the colleges to look at their budget to see if they could reduce by 1.5%.
Cuts will come from vacant and frozen positions and anticipated resignations. There's also unallocated tuition from last year, which will go to the base fund. Now, you still may be concerned about your in-state tuition. Currently, USD is far cheaper than most bordering state schools. However, despite the increase, the U should remain relatively more affordable. For U News, I'm Travis Berg.
Thanks, Travis.